Yeah, it's cool. In the house, I'm looking for old boy Webby. Yeah, couldn't wait to get more shit from Trillin' ENT and Baller stacking ends, huh? I see the facts. Yeah, Webby, where you at? Well, Willie Rob, I'm in the bayou, huh? Arkansas, Little Rock Straight, nigga, don't try to, huh? Approach me if you want to, nigga, you end up a goner. Full of potent marijuana, don't give a fuck who's on the game. Niggas making money, getting changed, stacking their grips and their brains for real, flipping cane. Disease to trees, the motherfucking niggas that blow weed instead, nigga, hit the motherfucking city streets. I got a Swisher Sweet so fat, for real. Bigger than the barrel of my damn gat, I best chill for real. Getting high as Jamaicans for real. We come looking for it. We come looking for it. What is your state? And you find me in Bucktown. Coming around the corner, nigga, won't fuck around. I guess I ain't got the ride of shit today, so I best keep on trying. Denying why I'm blind for real. I'm hard as the motherfucking steel that I'm making. I'm hard as the motherfucking chicken you burnt them bacon for real. I'm cooking. Cause just whoop and step up and you get a looking for real. So you best check the change, yo, check the grip. Better not flip, man, best believe I'ma take a sip, step up and get whipped, still in their hip, and watch I rip if they trip. I got another clip, game time affiliated. Niggas, I know they hate it. Still, I'm situated in the game, inaugurated to this G shit. Watch I be this, smoking on my tree wick, blowing on the leaf, big goddamn. I hold steel, I even hold tones, I hold microphones, bitch, and even cellular phones. I hold plastic, I hold G's, I hold eighth, nigga, I chop keys with the weed trees. That's my family, nigga, better check my capo. Better not stop them, because they fuck around, I'm gonna pop you and your motherfucking ass in the leg. No problems with your fam, I'm getting cash instead for real. It's going to my head, niggas wanna live. I'm on the block where it is, I'm on the block where it is. You better change your grip as I take another sip. Motherfuckers get whipped in this goddamn city street life. Nigga, I told my heat like a motherfucking cowboy for real. What the police like? Leave me alone. I'm in the game on them songs, still slamming bones and control of the microphone. Still at home, nigga, got mine choppy. Wouldn't give a fuck why you fuck with the poppy. I'm rocking around like Rocky. Can't nobody stop me. Goddamn, it's all white field, but I'm hitting the blacks like hockey for real. Cigarillas, too, in Vegas, niggas need to chill. You know the deal for real. I guess I ain't smoke no purple weed yet, so that's how it is. Smoking chemicals and fumes, fucking around, bitch. You know that you're doomed in the tomb. I hear it coming up and sliding, bitch. I been gliding, 24's hiding, motherfuckers been riding in the game. Niggas just making money, stacking change, bringing pain to this goddamn game. My organization ain't changed, it's still the same for real. EBP knowledge baller stacking in. I'm trying to make a banger out of me for real. I gotta get mine, BALLA for real. I gotta get mine. Suckers wanna hit mine for real. Wigs, they wanna split mine, so I quit trying.